chapter. Previously, we have learned the concept. Almost the chapter is going to be finished. So now, I'll just say you the difference, the keywords. I'll say you how to differentiate the word problems of addition and subtraction. So you know addition and subtraction. Yes or no, children? So normally in your previous classes, you have learned how to do addition and subtraction. So in the word problems, how to differentiate them, let me explain you in detail. Okay. So what all keywords will be there in the word problem, those all I'll say. So addition, subtraction. So addition normally means what? Addition means add. So this is the keyword, you will have it in the word problem. They'll say you to find addition of so and so numbers, okay? So that time you have to do addition means plus. You will combine the numbers, okay? All together. If this word is there in the addition problem, word problem, you can go on with it. Yes, children? All together. Normally in the word problems, you will have this word. All together. These are the keywords. Commonly used keywords. It's not compulsory that only these keywords should be there. The word problems can have any keywords also. If you are not able to understand the problem, then you search for this type of keywords. That is just a small trick which I am saying you. Okay, children? Okay. Add, all together, and both. Both means two numbers. So both is also one simple form of combining the numbers. In all. In all means add. Sum. Sum is nothing but the answer of the result of the addition is called the sum. Then they say you to find the total. Total of the marks. Yes. Combine. Combine, by the name itself, it is saying you to add the numbers together. Together means same, plus. Okay, more than. If they say you that this so and so number is more than this number. Okay, so in that also some conditions are there. You have to understand the problem. Sometimes in this thing more than means it can be subtraction also, but sometimes it will be addition also. It depends on the understanding. But if you're not able to understand, search for this type of keywords. Okay, join. How much? How many? So this type of things. Much more. Okay, taken together. Taken together. So these are the keywords for addition. Okay, children? So apart from this, anything can come over. These are some of the keywords which I have just joined together, okay? Which I have jotted down from the previous problem. Okay, children? So now let me see for subtraction. So what are the keywords for subtraction? So firstly, subtraction. The result of subtraction is called the difference. Difference means what? Subtraction. If they say you, how much fewer? Fewer means less number. Minus. This keyword is there, minus in the problem. That means you have to do the subtraction. Give away or gave away. Means subtraction. Okay? Take away. Away. Means you are removing something from others. Subtraction is what? Removing. How many less? How many more? How many less? How many more? So these all are some of the keywords which I am saying you today. When you people are not able to understand the problem, search for these keywords. shorter, smaller, remain. What is the remaining amount? Yes, and how much money is left out now? Okay, left out, save, change. Change is the balance amount. Okay, return. How much money you have to return. Decrease, decrease. Okay, so these are some of the keywords. Okay, apart from this, many you can get it, but these are some of the things which I have taken down. Okay, children. So please make a note of this one. Don't worry, I'll give you this all in the PDF file also. Okay. So now let us start some more addition problems. The next topic is addition. So addition, you know, what is addition? Combining the two numbers. So addition of numbers. So addition, what is the symbol of addition? Plus symbol. Yes or no? Plus symbol. Addition, what is the result called as? Sum is called as the result. Yes? Now let us do addition 2D. Addition of 2D. So let me take some number. Simple addition, let me try. So if I take 34 plus 25. So simple digit addition. Just say me the answer, children. So you can see that ones place one side, tens place 10 side. So 5 plus 4, how much? 9. So this side answer I'll write in the same place. First you will start the addition from the one side. So 3 plus 2, 5. So how much I got? 59. So let me take one more. 65 plus 38. So ones place on the one side, tens place on the 10 side. So let us start from ones place. So 8 plus 5. So 8 plus 5 how much? 8 after 5 numbers. 8 after how much? 5 numbers. 13. Yes or no? So 13, 1 will be carry over in the 10 side and 3 will be this side. Ones place number will be written in the one side and the carryover will be written on the 10 side. So now what is there here? 6 plus 1. So in the 10 side you have 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. So how much you got? So now you don't have any digit in the beside. Only 2 digits are there. So write the whole 10 number in the place provided in the 10 side only. Okay. So it is 103. So let me take one more number. 78 plus 55. So 1 place digit on the one side, 10 place digit on the 10 side. So 8 plus 5 how much? 13. So 3 will be this side and 1 is carry over. So 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. Got it? So these are the simple 2-digit addition. So now let us go to the next step. Let us do 3-digit addition. Okay. Let us do 3-digit addition. Let us do addition of 3 digits. Addition of 3 digits. So 3 digits means what all will be there, children? 1, 10, 100. Okay. So let me take a number. 156. Plus, in addition, the two numbers which you take for addition, 2 or 3 numbers, any numbers you can add it together. Those all numbers, it doesn't matter that whether the big number is there or small number is there, because anyhow you are combining. But in subtraction, always the bigger number should be first. Okay? So 1, 10, 100. 3 places. Write one below the other children, always. So now 6 plus 1, 7. 5 plus 2, 7. 3 plus 1, 4. So how much did I get it? 477. So let me take one more number. 245 plus 187. Okay. So 1, 10, 100. Now start adding. 5 plus 7. 7 plus 5 how much? 12. So no. So 1 will go to the 10 side and 2 will come in the 1 side. So 12, you can see that this, it is tens and it is 1. So this tens number I am keeping it on the 10 side. Now 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 8, 13. 3 again. 1 on the 100 side. The carryover part, if beside numbers are there, keep the carryover on the beside number. Only single number will be written in the same place. Okay. Now this is the last place. So there is no carryover. Whatever comes over, it is a single number or double number, you will write it in the same side. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 432. So let me take one more number. 7, 5, 8 plus 6, 0, 9. So let me do the addition part. So 1, 10, 100. Okay. So 8 plus 9. How much? 17. So 7 will come over here. 1 is carry over. I am keeping it on the tens place. Now 5 plus 1, 6. Then again 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6 how much? 13. So you don't have any numbers this side. So whole 13 you will write in the same place, 100 place. So how much you got? 1367. So this is the addition of a 3-digit number. Okay, students? So let us do some addition of a 4-digit number. So addition of 4 digits. Okay. So let me take a problem here. 2987 plus 3451. 451. So let me write in the places 1, 10, 100, 1000. Okay. So 7, 8, 9, 2. 1, 5, 4, 3, 4. So now I have arranged it in the places. Now let me do the addition part. Okay, 7 plus 1, 8. Starting from the ones addition, 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. So 3 will be here and 1 will be carry over in the next place. It is on the 100 place. So 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. So 4 will be here. Again 1 is carry over on the 1000 side. Okay. 3 plus 2. 5 plus 1, 6. Got it? So this is the addition of a 4-digit number. The next one, 3690 plus 2950. Let me first distribute it in the ones, tens, and hundreds places. 1, 10, 100, 1000. Okay. So now let us do the answer. 0 plus 0, 0. So one side starting from the ones addition. 9 plus 5, 14. So 4 will be here. 1 is carry over on the 100 side. Always carry over on the beside number. So 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. So 6 will be here. 1 is carry over on the 1000 side. So 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So how much you got? 6,640. So let me do the addition of one more number. 4080 plus 1175. Okay. 1, 10, 100, 1000. So 0 plus 5, 5, 7 plus 8, 15, 1 carry over, 1 plus 1, 2, 4 plus 1, 5. So 5255. So these are the additions of a 4-digit number. Okay, children? So some more examples I'll give you. I'll give you some homework, children. Please do it in your classroom. Some 4-digit numbers, I'll give you some homework. Do it, solve that, and then recheck your answers with the PDF file which I'll send you with the answers. Okay? So homework. 3690 plus 1200. First arrange it, then write it, children. 4617 plus 1978. Okay. So 5437 plus 2726. Okay, children. So by this, we finish our class. In the next class, we'll go on with the word problem. Okay, children. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Goodbye, children.